Stuart Hall's theory of identity. Stuart Hall's theory of identity explores the complex, dynamic, and multifaceted nature of identity in contemporary society. As a cultural theorist, Hall viewed identity not as a fixed, innate characteristic but as something that is continuously shaped by social, cultural, and historical forces. His ideas challenge traditional understandings of identity as stable and unified, instead proposing that identity is constantly being negotiated and redefined in response to changing contexts and relationships. At the heart of Hall's theory is the notion that identity is a product of representation. He argued that individuals do not possess a singular, essential identity that is inherent to them. Instead, identities are constructed through discourses and representations that are shaped by culture, language, and history. Hall emphasized that these representations are always partial and incomplete, meaning that identity is never fully fixed or finished. This view aligns with the broader post-structuralist tradition, which rejects the idea of stable, essential truths in favor of an understanding of meaning as fluid and context-dependent. Hall also highlighted the role of power in shaping identity. He argued that identity is often formed through processes of exclusion and differentiation, where individuals or groups are defined in relation to what they are not. This process of othering helps to establish boundaries between identities, but it also serves to reinforce power hierarchies. For example, racial, gender, and class identities are often constructed through discourses that privilege certain groups while marginalizing others. These discourses are not neutral, they reflect and reinforce existing power structures in society. One of Hall's key contributions to the study of identity is his concept of the fragmented or decentered subject. In contrast to earlier theories of identity that portrayed individuals as unified, coherent subjects, Hall argued that identity is fractured and multiple. This fragmentation is the result of various intersecting influences such as race, gender, class, and sexuality, all of which shape an individual's sense of self. Rather than having a single, stable identity, individuals possess multiple, often contradictory identities that are continuously in flux. This